So now we're going to do the transfer case, 15/16 both fill and drain, or 24 mil. Like always, we're going to make sure we can get that fill plug off before you pull the drain plug off. They're both loose. So now we'll go ahead and pull the drain plug. And then if you gotta get it everywhere. Yeah, that's amazing. This is sweet. Pull the fill plug, so maybe it'll quit doing that. Yeah, and then you missed. Yeah, that's why you put a tarp down. Alright, after you got your transfer case drained, inspect both crush washers. Both mine are still in good shape. So go ahead and snug this up, and I'll torque it down when I torque the fill plug. So now we're gonna fill it up until it comes out of the fill plug. There it is, and then we'll stop, and then we'll torque everything down to 27 foot-pounds. And I'll throw a torque wrench on it, and torque fill and drain plug to 27 foot-pounds. There's that one. And there's that one.